Yo.
Hey, don't forget your audience.
Oh yeah, that's right. They are okay. Y'all right there. Say let's get it. Yo, so what's going on, y'all? We starting up Forex on Sundays. I know it's a little bit different. So what we're gonna do today? We're gonna do a mic check. You know what I'm saying? Let's just do audio. So in the comments, let's see. All right, comments. I'll check some of them right now. Let's get the audio cracking. But nah, this is a new environment for me, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So it's definitely new. It's gonna be interesting. So let's see how everything goes. Somebody said, "Damn, man, yeah, we're going up." Hey, make sure y'all like the stream too. Make sure y'all like the stream too. I know I'm super late, but you know, shit. Usually it'd be like, "Oh, technical issues," but nah, today we just had work through a little bit. But let's do an audio check before we get everything cracking, y'all. Let's get an audio check. Yo, what's up? What's up? No weirdos allowed. What's good? I know I had this thing set for like 2 hours ago, but we on here getting it cracking. So today I'm gonna start off. We're gonna go into DXY first, like we usually do. You feel me? On the next one, we already gonna have the music and everything cracking. You like the setup? For sure, man. Y'all see the MetaTrader and everything busting? Well, it's on this side. Feel me? MetaTrader and everything busting. Got the trader die busting. Audio is good. Hey. We lit, man. Hey, shout out to the team. You know what I'm saying? AJ was good, man. Everybody was good. Appreciate y'all. You feel me? Let's get it. You trying to get the book? You can't find it? Yeah, it was good. Yeah, we over here going up. You said as soon as the video started? Oh, yeah, definitely. Hey, man, where you guys from in the chat? Let's get this thing cracking. You already know, man, Forex on Sundays, the way we do it. Trade game vibes. Make sure you smack that like button. Oh, you got it from the publisher. Yeah, y'all smart. You smart. You know what I mean? Hey, look, so like I said, I'm testing some things out during the stream. This is how we're going to start doing Forex on Sundays. You know, eventually, Project Space LA, shout out to y'all as well. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Projector Space LA, shout out to y'all as well. You know what I'm saying? But eventually, look, we're gonna keep this thing going. So we got people from, oh yeah, this is a live audience for real. Let's go. Rancho Cuca mother in the building. Definitely what's going on? Richmond, VA, man, make sure y'all smack that like button. Let's get it popping. Columbus, Ohio, London, UK. Oh, hey, let's go. Baton Rouge in this joint. What's up? See, we got Cali in this joint. Watts, California in this joint. Georgia, California. Oh, man. Georgia, California. That's how you know I'm dated. GA, baby. Georgia, what's up, man? What's going on? Who is this? Columbus, Ohio. Oh, y'all lit. Zimbabwe? Y'all tapped in from Zimbabwe. Yo, you know, before we go into DXY, I'm going to ask you guys a question, too. I definitely want to tap into your trading psychology, just to know what's going on. So some questions for the audience. You guys feed me some questions this whole time. We're going to be answering things back before I get into DXY. I want this experience to be, a lot different. You feel me? I just want this experience to be a lot different. So go ahead, be feeding me questions and let's get it cracking. We got people from Canada. Let's go. South Central. Oh, yeah, we got LA in here. Miami in this joint. We need to at least get like 100+ likes. So make sure we get it cracking. I see the people coming in right now. Like I said, once again, my bad for being late, y'all. But you know how it go. Yeah, I'm on straight California vibes today. Kenya, Trinidad, baby, what's going on? Yo, need. You can see the comments too. We good back there? Go ahead. Be posting some of the comments. My bad. We gotta get the whole team coming. Let's go, Chicago in this joint. Post on the screen. Let me see. New York it is. Oh, the whole team. I'll tell you. Yeah, we going up now. Yeah, this the vibe, baby. This the vibe. I'm really enjoying. I'm enjoying the set. You see, I got the Forex stickers on the laptop. If you guys don't have no Forex stickers, you need to get you some Forex stickers so you can be lit. We got that trader die right here. You know what I mean? So make sure you said roll a fatty. Definitely. You know what I mean? I don't know if I'm gonna roll up this time. I'm just testing a lot of things out. I'm gonna test the screen as well, so we'll be able to pull things up on the screen. So let's get right into DXY. Let's start this thing off. Let's get right into DXY. All right, so we're gonna get right into DXY real quick. Let's get it popping like this. All right, cool. All right, so DXY. Oh man, the dollar's looking extremely strong, you guys. The dollar's looking extremely strong. We got a nice look on there. Are you zooming on my face or we got to pull back? You on my face? All right, can you pull back for me? So we get the screen. Like I said, y'all, we working right now. You know what I'm saying? We figuring everything out. We'll get it cracking. Can you get the screen for me? The screen?
No, that's a real control.
I know. I'm saying, can you zoom out to the screen?
No, we got it.
Okay.
But we can't see anything from this.
Okay.
Because it's just everything's.
I got you. Oh, it's focused. It's focused to my face. That's what you're telling me. Like we can't see the chart.
So when you go back,
I got you. Say less. Say less. Okay. And you see, that's what I'm saying. We working with the team. We get this shit cracking in here. We about to, hey, Forex on Sunday is about to be where it's at, y'all. It's about to be where it's at for real. You feel me? So what I'm doing is just marking up DXY. A lot of people, well, I don't know if you know or not, but what I'm on is the daily chart. All right. So if you don't know anything about the daily chart, a lot of big moves are made on higher time frames, like the 4 hour, the daily, and things like that. So that's why I like looking at higher time frames, because generally it gives me like, an outlook for the week. All right. So what we're looking at from the current daily, right? This is the dollar index. So we're looking at, we got two bullish candlesticks. And when I mean bullish, these are some big bullish candlesticks. The bulls look like they're in town. The dollar definitely looks like it has some strength. And we look at the zone that it pushed off from, this is called a support zone. All right. And or demand zone. So in this demand zone, it seems like the demand had filled on Friday, which we had NFP. If you don't know what NFP is, that is called non-farm payroll. So it's really big event that happens every first week of the month. And definitely, if you're looking to make some nice gains, you can rock with NFP. It's definitely a little bit risky, but for those who love risk, man, that's the game that you play. I would say rock with it. So I'm thinking the dollar is going to continue, right? Continue pushing north, continue with this action, continue strong. Our candlesticks, basically our understanding, our reading of the game is showing us that, we have very solid bull direction coming out of this demand zone, coming out of this support area. All right, so previously, if you look at the daily, right, so you see how many times the candlesticks are pretty much tapping here. If you don't know, every candlestick is one day. So every single candlestick on this chart is one day. So look at all this bunch right here. This is like 2 weeks worth of candlesticks. So it took 2 weeks for this thing to actually start moving. So, in the market, sometimes it's going to be like that. There's going to be consolidation. All right. But I do feel like the bulls are in play. As long as the dollar keeps pushing forward and pushing north, pairs like Great British Pound, US dollar is going to continue dropping downside. Aussie dollar is going to drop downside. Kiwi dollar is dropping downside. So, as long as we continue with this bull pressure, the American dollar is doing a little bit better. We should see some gains. All right. So now what we're going to do, usually I like switching to DXY and things like that. You know what I'm saying? So we're on DXY. I'm about to switch to US 30 next and get that thing cracking, man. Let's get it cracking. Love US 30. If you guys rock with US 30, let me know in the chat. If y'all some US 30 lovers, let me know in the chat. Matter of fact, flame emojis in the chat for US 30. Let's get it popping. Flame emojis in the chat for US 30. What's going on? He said DXY went crazy Friday. Definitely. Hey, y'all need to smack the like button too. We need some more likes popping in this joint. So make sure y'all smacking the like button. Let's get this live thing cracking, man. Definitely for the brokers, man. Shout out Henko Trade. You feel me? They always showing love and stuff, man. If y'all didn't see that last event, hey, man, Henko's out here for real. So, there's a lot of Forex brokers in the world. You guys are dope. You know what I'm saying? But when it comes to number one, who's outside in LA and Hollywood, we only know one. You get what I'm saying? So it is what it is. I feel like, as a broker, you got to be out here in people's faces. And the other ones, y'all just not. So that's why we're rocking with Henko. You know what I'm saying? They outside. So come outside. We outside. You feel me? But nah, make sure y'all spamming the chat for that US 30. Let's get it popping. Oh yeah, definitely. Somebody said they swinging US 30. Oh, y'all definitely swinging US 30. Hey, let's get it, man. And then let me know how y'all enjoying the setup. You feel me? I got the team working, man. So appreciate the team. You feel me? Everybody, man, who made everything possible. Shit, even me, you know what I'm saying? We needed a splitter, so she ran me to the store real quick to get the splitter. You feel me? So, hey, man, appreciate everybody, even who be making the last minute adjustments and stuff. You feel me? Hold on. So let's get it. All right. So boom, the perilous US 30. All right, so what we're going to do is go ahead and mark up the charts. And as you see, we're marking everything up on the daily. All right, so I'm going to start at the top. I see this resistance right here. So if you don't know anything about the market, so check this out. When I'm looking for resistance, right, I'm looking for a price point or an area where a lot of candlesticks are hitting a particular area. So as we see at the top, right, at the top of this chart right here, this is like a nice bunch. So what I'm going to do is try to basically put the market in some sort of place where I can trade it. Because just looking at it like this, it looks like it's all over the place, you know what I'm saying? But when I go ahead and put it in channels, place it in the channels, we're going to really be able to take this thing in and run off with US 30. Feel me? Oh God, let's get it. Feel me? So I'm going to do is drop some resistance right here. All right, I need some support right here, my bad. All right. Now, mind you, once again, this is the daily charts, y'all. This is the daily charts. So just looking at some nice action right here. You feel we have some nice action this week with 33,000. The price is pretty high. I feel like we're due for a pullback going into February. It should be a pretty good month, but I feel like we're due for a slight little pullback. Maybe we'll, drop downside and get it popping like this. I know that NAS and SPY Thursday and Friday had some really interesting moves. So I'm really interested to see how this week is going to be. I'm looking at 30 kind of sit in this, supply area, or in this supply area looking like it's about to, drop out of the top of there. So let's see if that's actually going to be a supply zone, and if the market is going to go ahead and fill the order, drop out the top, and just play some regular SNR, which it really does. So here is resistance at the top, right? Here's support at the bottom. You feel me? So I mean, usually the market chooses like two different price points to go in between. You know what I'm saying? So let's say we took like the price of 100 or something like that. So sometimes the market's going to be stuck in between two price points of 50 and 100, and it's just going to go, Monday through Friday, or Monday through Thursday, or Monday through Wednesday, it's going to be 50 to 65, and then the next week, then it changes. You feel me? So basically, that's what's going on here. And like I said, I feel like 30. If the dollar gets a little bit stronger, we could probably see it come in and retest about the 33,000 area, 800, 900 points. You know what I'm saying? If not, then we'll just continue pushing to the top side, because if you go ahead and pull the charts out, this is what we see in 30. All right, and then we just get the audio check as well, y'all. Let's do an audio check as well. He said y'all can't see the charts. Okay. Now I'm looking at the stream. Y'all can see the charts for sure. Let me pull it down. No, it's on me. It's on me. Yeah. No, I'm watching it live. They can see it. I had to pull it down to the middle. So yeah, it was my bad, y'all. My bad. And then also I'm gonna do a dark screen and stuff for y'all. So I got y'all. Matter of fact, let's set up. Like I said, we're gonna make adjustments. We're gonna make adjustments while we get it cracking. So let's just change the background real quick, y'all. Do it like this. Let's take these lines off of here. Real quick. All right, so yeah, that's much better. That is much better. I like that. He said, no, we can see it. No, y'all definitely can see it now. Y'all for sure can see it now. Everything is smacking. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. So also what I want you to pay attention to on the daily as well, right? So on the daily, I don't know if you can see it or not, but we got like dojis right here, y'all. You feel me? So we got like back to back dojis. You feel me? And what doji signal is indecision. You feel me? What doji signal is indecision. So with this having back to back dojis, what that's basically saying is that the market has not yet decided what it wants to do. What we could do is get a fill order out of this supply zone and drop right back into a demand area. All right. So I feel like that's what we're gonna pay attention to this week. If not, then we're gonna get pressure at the top side. You see everything is kind of waiting at this side up here. So we get pressure to the top side and get up past this 34,000 area. But it's looking like the market wants to remain at the 34,000. It has not broke, and it seems like a hot area, because if you look at the daily, it's a zone that's been hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different times. And in these different times, it's like 5 or 6 different days that it's doing that. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like that's something prominent to pay attention to. Let's get it. You know what I'm saying? Let's get this thing cracking too, y'all. I definitely want to take some more questions. So before we start moving, because I'm already gonna charge fast. The next thing that we're gonna do is blow right through this. Y'all know how this goes. So I'm gonna take some questions, and then I'm about to run through these charts real quick, get y'all up out of here, man. And I'm gonna see y'all next week. Next week it's gonna be hot though. Just you feel me? We're gonna be up here, man. I got the team. We're gonna go crazy in this joint. So definitely, let's go. He said, hold on, Ty, next chart, bro. Yeah, get the lights up before we go to the next chart. Get them lights up before we go to the next chart. And then they said the audio is solid too. Okay. Yeah, bro. They like the setup. So I appreciate y'all. We going up. We going up. All right, so we're gonna slide the NAS next, right? We're gonna slide the NAS next. You can see it's really bullish over here right now. All right. Okay. This is some old stuff I had up here. Let me move everything. Here's a fresh markup on the daily. So y'all can see the daily. I'm marking everything up. I like to make my charts a little small first. You know what I'm saying? So NASDAQ, that's what it's looking like. First, I'm gonna pick a bottom. I'm looking for some support. All right. And I always like to build myself channels that I can trade from. So, trading for me, you have to come in and mark your plays up. You know what I mean? So I like to come in on the weekly. You feel me? I mean, come in on the trading view and mark my stuff up. All right, so here we go. Slide this back a little bit. All right, let me get the I want to get this in here for y'all real quick. Let's see. I said one. All right, cool. All right, so the time frame that I'm on, I know they don't have 1D on there right now, but the time frame that I'm on right now is the daily time frame. So, I love the daily time frame once again because you can take, bigger trades, and then also like I like reading off the daily. It gives you direction for the week. So if there's like a morning star or evening star on a daily time frame, you pretty much solid for the week. And that's what we're gonna look at when we go check out GU and other currency pairs and stuff like that. All right. Yo, NASDAQ smoking on that. What's up? Hold on. NASDAQ smoking on that. Let's get it popping, man. We need y'all to go ahead and comment that before we get popping. Come on. NASDAQ. He said NASDAQ. So y'all see it? Yeah, you gonna go crazy. Come on, let's get it cracking. We need some more likes too. Let's get these likes up. All right, there we go. Let's get the likes up. So before we move on to NAS, man, let's go ahead and get the likes up. Y'all gotta spam the likes. And then next time, I'm gonna be on time. I promise y'all. I know you probably like, this nigga tired, but nah, trust me, bro, I got you. That guy's back. Oh, me. All right, let's get these likes up. Yeah. Run it up. There we go. See, when the lights get up, YouTube start moving it around, man. That's that algorithm. All right, so check it. Get it straight to that NASDAQ, man. So I feel like if price keeps pushing, we'll get a nice retest. This is the daily. So what is this? 13-1. All right. So NASDAQ has been moving like 500-600 points a day, which really not gonna move like that. So there's a lot of inadequacies in the market. There's a lot of volatility in the market, and I feel like you guys should be paying attention to that. You feel me? So with that being said, when NAS gets back on track, you can be expecting about 100 to 300 point movements per day. Not these big 500, 600 point movements, but we had like CPI, I think we had interest rates, and then we had NFT on Friday last week. So yeah, there was a lot of news and a lot of data that came in the market and did a lot of pushing. Okay. But usually, like I said, don't expect it to be doing all that because it's not going to do that. All right. But what we got on NAS right now, so looking at the daily, we have price basically going a fire ass run. Okay. So let's go ahead and get this first tool out. So we have price take off on a fire ass bull run. All right. It stopped here. The reason it stopped here is because we look left. Basically, we're at a resistance zone / supply area. All right. Yeah. So you see how many times it's tapping against there? So just like a basketball, running. Basically, NASDAQ has scored a touchdown. And you know what happens next in football when the team scores a touchdown? The field flips. You get what I'm saying? So what I'm expecting to happen is the field to flip. It is on the bull run. Mind you, this is the daily and we are on the bull run. So yes, price could continue pushing forward. We only have one red candlestick. We only have one instance of a pullback. So we technically don't have the pullback yet because it's not shown. Technically, it's still on a bull run. You get what I'm saying? But I'm just looking at the zone that it's in. So we always have to take that into consideration before you're like, oh, we apply more buys. Well, we like to buy low and sell high. So considering technically this price is still high. You know what I'm saying? So if I'm looking to buy, it's gonna be above what's my price right now? 12.5. So probably like 12.7, but it'll be on a smaller time frame. But obviously, if I want to buy, I want to come down and try to copy and buy at like 12,000. That's 500 points away. So we could get popping for the next bull run. You guys understand? Let's get it. You say it might keep going up, possibly. You know what I'm saying? Once again, it's still green, but it's something to look at. You feel me? So the next pairs and stuff, I definitely want to run through because you guys know I like to move fast. I don't want to go super slow because I don't move like that. I like to be, knocking shit out. So let's get this thing cracking. Like, can we get a close up? I want to ask some questions and shit. I'm gonna ask y'all some questions and get popping like that. I don't know how to get the music lit for y'all yet, but soon we're gonna get the music in here. It's gonna be popping. We probably bring the DJs in. And yeah, Forex on Sunday is gonna be a party every Sunday. You feel me? Shit. And then we was talking to the team. They was like, yo, you should start having live audience members. So I think that would be dope. Honestly, it's a big enough space. So yeah, you feel me? Maybe like a few people come down to the studio. I think that, you know what I mean? Shit. Trader Die 2 album. Oh, my lifestyle crazy. Money on lazy. Nah, I got some gas. I got some gas I've been cooking though. So shit, D said the shit was sounding like old school Weezy, but I ain't gonna lie, I'm hella Weezy influenced. I think it's time to bring the real Weezy back. And bro was a gasser. You feel me? Weezy was a gasser, so definitely I would say it's influenced by that. But nah, we got the close up. So what's good? So hey, let's get some questions cracking in this joint, man. Let's get some questions cracking in this joint before we move back to the charts. What is your favorite pair to trade? Either pair or index. What is your favorite pair or index to trade? He said, is this the new Forex on Sunday's location? Yeah, I told y'all we scaling up. You feel me? So definitely, like I said, man. Yeah. Shout out to the team, man. You feel me? Projected Space LA. Let's get it popping. He said, bro, sound like Taylor Gang. Let's go. We going up. Let's go. He said, some go hard, bro. Yeah, we going up. But nah. So somebody said they like gold. We definitely gonna check out gold today. GJ. Okay. Somebody like that. USD. JPY. Okay. Okay. I see some oil magnates in here. Shout out to the oil traders. Y'all got gold popping. Hell yeah, let's get it. Okay, UJ, GU. I think we checking our GU next, or what I got? SPX 500 next. Yeah, I got that SPX 500 next. Then we're gonna slide on there. He said, gotta make the charts black and yellow. Nah, I'm for Long Beach. Some charts gonna stay how they stay. You feel me? You like to set up West Side? We up. Let's get it. Hey, look, AUD USD. Gold been playing with my feelings. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you about gold in a second. We're gonna get cracking. You feel me? Euro AUD. Interesting. So I've never really traded Euro AUD like that. I probably breezed past it, but that's not something that I'm gonna hit on all the time. I'm gonna really go hit on like Euro USD or GBP USD or hit on something like that. You feel me? Like I don't really like the exotic pairs and shit like that. I like the natural. You know what I'm saying? GU hit during 11 a.m. Eastern, or that's 8 o'clock in the morning. So look, yeah. So okay, so yeah, we vibing. We definitely vibing. Like I said, I like being able to talk to you guys like this. And then what's dope about this stream, right, is I'll be able to bring you into the stream as well. So at the end of the stream, if you guys got questions, you have to have a camera. And we'll bring you on the screen and stuff, and we're gonna chop it up. You know what I mean? It's gonna be a dope little vibe. So get your cameras ready. Hey, if you guys are ready to be involved in the show, you know what I'm saying? Get your cameras ready, because at the end of the show, I'm gonna be bringing some special audience members on. So I can wait for you guys to hop on, ask questions, something like that. Yo, when they talk, the sound will come out so we can all hear it. That shit gonna be fire, nigga. Let's get it. So, all right, let's do SPX5. So I'm back to the charts with it, baby. Back to the charts with it. Let's get it cracking. All right, so we had SPX5. Yo, this is fire. This is a fire ass test run. You feel me? This is a fire ass test run, y'all. This is a fire ass test run. We're gonna go crazy with it. I'm telling you, the street is booming. Cause like I'm taking notes, you feel me? So I'm just studying how everything moving, so we can just keep improving. So yeah, I already got ideas for the next one, y'all, for next Sunday. So you think this Sunday was lit? Shit. Might be turn this bitch into the battle zone, nigga. Oh me, what's this? GJ goes in reverse. Okay, cool. So look, basically I just marked up SPX 500 on the daily. All right, so that's what we're looking at right here. All right, so I'm gonna stand up and I'm gonna go ahead and let you know what's going on. So I'm gonna put some X's, right? Put some X's at resistance, okay? So every X that I'm placing is at resistance. What's going on is we have support and resistance right here. If you know anything about understanding Japanese candlesticks, I mean, hey man, this is literally in that video, you know what I'm saying? But this is what's going on. So I'll show you what's going on. Let me stand up, all right? So we got support and resistance, and y'all see the back of my hoodie, nigga? Yeah, we are Black Wall Street. We going up. Real G's. So we got all this resistance popping right here, resistance right here, resistance right here. Everywhere the red X is at. All right, so, oh, my bad, camera right here. So everywhere that the red X is at, that's where we have resistance. So basically, we got price sitting right at resistance with a slight pullback, right? With a slight pullback. So it's just kind of like the football field example that I gave y'all. You feel me? Like, boom, price running up from the bottom of the field. So we're going to say this is the 100-yard line, and we'll say this is the 100-yard line. You get what I'm saying? So in support and resistance, the only thing that the players do is go from yard line to yard line like a football game. So here we are, right on the other side. The question is, this week, will we break this zone? If we break this zone, that would be considered breakouts, and then we'll be pushing top side, we'll be going higher and higher. But as of right now, I do feel like we're gonna get a slight pullback coming into the week. All right, so definitely after a lot of big bull pushing like last week, I feel like we're gonna get a pullback. So be expecting a slight drop down. Maybe what is this? Maybe about 100 points. We are on SPX5. I don't have the thing in the center, so that's why I got. Like, what chart is this? You know me, but I see the 4300 sit on the side, so I look at it every day. I pretty much know my numbers and shit. You know what I'm saying? So excuse me, y'all. So let's get it. All right, let's get it. So that's what I'm expecting on here. About a 50 to 100 point drop. That should bring us about the 40. What are we at? 42 or 41.35. So that is about 40,000. Or not 40,000, 4,031.3. So that's about a 40, 50 point, or about 100 point, 50 to 100 point drop right here. Really nice little retest zone. So if I'm looking for buys, if we get consolidation, like we about to go ahead and push up, then yeah. So we get it cracking. We're gonna go ahead and slide up. And see, like I said, I still gotta learn my camera placements and shit, y'all. Well, we get it like this live, we get the power. Feel me? All right, so next we've already knocked out US 30, we've already knocked out NASDAQ, we've already knocked out DXY, and you already know what's about to be next. We did SKX 500, now let's go fuck with gold. Let's go get the gold cracking. Let's go get the gold cracking, baby. All right, man, where our gold traders at? Gold traders, make some noise right now. Gold traders, make some noise right now. I love how this is very adjacent to to the US dollar, that DXY. So I'm pulling up DXY as well. You feel me? Where my gold traders at? Let's get it. I need y'all spam in the chat too. The chat should be this chat. We going up like this with the production. Just know, let everybody know. Forex on Sundays is where it's at. All the Forex brokers, hey, y'all know what it is. Shit, I don't have to tell you where I'm from. But look, hey, let me pull up this thing. Let me mark it up for y'all. My bad. Let me mark it up for y'all. I'm just popping my shit right now. NFP Friday had gold, nice little hit. So it's extremely bearish if the dollar continues pushing top side. And I feel like gold has to be to 1800s. That's what it's looking like, 1800s. And I know I'm not counting this down here. You're probably like, why don't you count the bottom? Because, well, obviously I can do two types of S&R, right? So I can do a big ass gap, and I can basically go, because I'm on a daily chart, so I can go from the 1900s all the way down to like the 1600s, and that's gonna be if I'm looking at like a weekly view. You know what I'm saying? But as of right now, I'm not looking for a weekly view. We're just looking to make some bread this current week. So as we check in the daily, obviously this candle is extremely rare. When you see things like that, the first thing that I expect when I see some shit like this is for it to pull back a little bit before it drops. You know what I'm saying? Just because shit has been doing it for so much, it's kind of like the ocean. When the ocean cracks down, then the bitch just pull back. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so I'm expecting the price to pull back when market opens. Maybe pull back about 20, 30 bucks. So that should put us about 18, 19. And we'll be taking shorts. We'll be taking sales about right here to keep the selling pressure on. So about 84, about that 84 area. So I feel like price gonna pull up from 65, retest 84, do some weird consolidation shit, and then boom, continue driving down into the 1800s. All right. So I always expect a pullback before a continuation. You feel me? So I've been trading for a minute, and that's just what it is. You know what I mean? I can't tell you otherwise. That's the ebbs and flows of the market. You know what I'm saying? So whenever you see like a lot of bull pressure before that next bull push, there's going to be a slight pullback like the ocean wave. It's just inevitable, and it's the way of the market. You know what I mean? So that's gold. All right, I told y'all we're gonna slide. And then also, I wanted to show you DXY next to gold real quick. So what's this right here? Oh, they put gold next to gold. Let me switch that to DXY, y'all. Yo, the team got this thing flowing. I appreciate y'all. This shit cracking on too. Yeah, he said oversold like a motherfucker. You understand? You understand? Y'all understand? He said this will be better once we get better streaming connection. Keep up the yeah, we got it. Don't even trip, bro. Don't trip. Hey, like I said, we gonna we working, man. We working. Don't trip. We're about to get the audio back. We're gonna get everything cracking, man. But it's the first test, and I'm appreciative we even rocking this shit like that, because I was doing Forex on Sundays in the room. You feel me? And that's why it was getting boring to me because like, nigga, I can't stay in this room. I'm active. I like to get up and move, and you know what I'm saying? So I'm outside, nigga. If you want to know what's really good, they was trying to keep me in the box, y'all. They wanted me to be in the room the whole time. You feel me? Like, tell them we ain't about to. Nah. Even with Hanko, I was telling them, I was like, yo, hey, nigga, y'all want me to do these type of videos, but bro, I'm telling you, bro, the Forex is the future. And see, they trusted me. You know what I'm saying? Next thing you know, we ended up at, matter of fact, don't worry about where we ended up. Where we ended up there and we going. Just know, nigga, we going. Make sure y'all click on the link in there. We got some giveaways popping too. Let me know. You know I'm doing giveaways every month. So we'll probably do some giveaways up until the event. Feel me? So I'm on the daily chart right now. If y'all can see what I'm marking up. All right. And I got this thing split just because I wanted you to see the inversions between gold. I don't know if y'all can see the other side of the screen. Yeah, you can. All right. So look, he said they scared to come outside. Yeah, we be outside. We in LA. It's different out here. Feel me? It's a whole different time out here. That pullback looking active. What's up? All right, so check it. So I see y'all see the 102, and look, I want y'all to, because remember, like before, I forgot to tell y'all to pull your phones and stuff out too. You feel me? But I want y'all to start pulling your phones out and being just as active. I don't want you to just be a watcher. I want you to be a participator. That's the thing about, you know, dealing with somebody like me. I hate people who are inactive. I need y'all to be active, be practical. You know what I'm saying? So I don't want to just bark this up and we not, you know, it's not a teaching thing. I want us to all have these charts. So when you come back next week, it's Ty, I made this, I made that. Yeah, nigga, because you listen. You feel me? But check it. So we got DXY and we got gold. And what I want you to look at in DXY and gold is literally, it's the exact opposite. So basically what I'm saying is I teach you guys this every week, but I know I get new people who come, you know what I'm saying? So every single week, what this is called is a correlation. And then correlate out inversions, you know what I'm saying? So, the correlation will be the same thing. You feel me? So this will be the market inversion. So what a market inversion is when one pair or commodity is on one thing, then it weighs heavy on something else. So it's kind of like a scale. You get what I'm saying? So if you can figure out which pairs of commodities and things like that work or coincide with each other, and y'all gonna be eating off this shit because all you gotta do is wait for one to hit and then go trade the opposite. You get what I'm saying? So people's trading plans and trading styles are different. I don't really know what your trading styles are, you know what I'm saying? But in the comments, let me know. We gonna go ahead and pull your comments up on here. And once again, afterwards, get your cameras ready because we're gonna be locked in. Yeah, spam that chat. Put fire emojis in the chat if y'all enjoyed the show today. Let's get it comment. All right. We already got the gold. Y'all understand gold. Let's all right, let's get it. So now we're about to slide to GBP USD. All right, I'm gonna move a little fast. All right, let it load up. All right. Let's go ahead and change this to DXY. Just so I can see what's going on. All right, so you see the inversions over here as well. All right. Same thing cracking. And actually, this is a double top on the daily. All right. So I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but that's a double top on the daily behind me. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll show you. So let's say this dollar gets some strength. If the dollar gets some strength, this bitch is dropping. Everybody in the chat right now put this bitch is dropping. Let's get it popping. You feel me? Just like that. Forex on Sundays, ladies and gentlemen. Good way. Yeah, I got you. We got y'all. Don't trip, we got y'all. All right, let's run it, baby. So I want y'all to see the inversions. I just want y'all to see the inversions. Let's get it. Oh, he said the pips is dropping. I fuck with that. That's light. I like that. All right, cool. So yeah, like I said, I'm looking for the dollar to get strength. We have bullish engulfings on DXY. So I don't know if you can see DXY to my left, but yeah, to the left, we got the bullish engulfings over here. You feel me? So we got the bullish engulfings over here to the left. You feel me? And then over here, you literally got the exact opposite, you know what I'm saying, popping to the downside. So we're just going to trade the inversion on that and get it cracking. We get a dollar push. I see GBP USD pushing down to 118. The week starts off. We get a pullback to about 121. If I can get a sell at 121, that's going to be amazing. I am expecting price to pull back as soon as the market opens up. So If it keeps dropping to the downside, fuck it. It's gonna keep moving. But once again, I feel like the best entry is gonna be off that pullback around that 121 area. If you're looking to go ahead and short, if you got a break underneath, you're gonna have to trade the breakout, y'all. All right. And if people don't know what sell stops and buy stops are, definitely, if I was you, I'd go rock with some sell stops and buy stops so you can get cracked. All right. Let's get it. Appreciate that. He said, we love you. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. Let's get it. All right. Friday, flip your balance 7 GU. Oh, bro, run it up, man. That's that NFP. You caught that NFP. You caught that NFP. Hey, man. Yeah, let's get it cracking. Smack that like button too. Smack that like button too. And then let me know in the chat if y'all like this version of Forex on Sundays. Just let me know in the chat if y'all like this version of Forex on Sundays. You feel me? I think y'all rocking with this one a lot more though. Yeah, I think y'all rocking with this a lot more. He said, brother, yeah, let's get it. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and slide to let me see, Euro USD or NZD USD. Let's do Euro USD. It should be looking just like that. We got dollar strength. Euro USD should be pushing downside as well. Go ahead and check that easy call. Look at that right there at the top. Euro USD looking like it's about to fall right out of there. I want to explain this too. So I'm gonna pull Euro USD up and I'm gonna make it a solo screen. All right, so y'all can see what's going on. So we know what's up with the dollar already. We don't have to keep talking about the dollar. Obviously, it looks bullish. There's bullish candlesticks. There's bullish engulfings. There was great news for the dollar on Friday. And yeah, now this is Euro USD. The dollar looks extremely bullish. If USD gets stronger, this bitch is clicking right out the sky. It looks like it's gonna fall out the sky right now. All right, and what you see me doing is going all the way back, so I can find some resistance that is bouncing off of, or find the supply area that is bouncing off. It's gonna be a little big. Mind you, this is the daily chart as well, y'all. This is the daily chart as well. So I don't know if you can see the prices as good. You feel me? Go run a daily chart. Like I said, I didn't know I was gonna have to stream from my laptop. You feel me? So once again, they had a plan to take Forex on Sundays to a new, you know what I'm saying, to a new game. So that's what we're doing. You feel me? We taking it to a new level, and this is what y'all getting now. You feel me? So just let me keep improving, and y'all just keep growing. You know what I'm saying? Keep growing the team. We about to run this shit up. You feel me? About to go crazy. But yeah, in the chat, let me know too. MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. You feel me? Let me know too. Now she was good on there because I'm about to go on the screen. Yeah, I'm watching it too. So we working together. Yeah, we working. Hey, look, I'm gonna tell you, we working. No, I'm already knowing. We working. NT5, y'all do the NT5. NT5 go crazy on that. NT4 going crazy on that. Okay, so do we got iPhone traders or Android traders? Ooh, I think that's gonna cause some separation. No trip. I've been black all my life. I'm used to the separation, y'all. Let's get it. You feel me? I'm gonna stir up a little ruckus real quick. You know what I'm saying? All right. So what I'm doing is making the chart smaller. You know, I like doing that so I can have a finite view as to, you know, where that next zone is for me. All right, now that's gonna be a nice zone for me. So after that, if blow it up a little bit bigger, we get dollar pushing downside. Guaranteed. Dollar pushing top side, more strength. Your USD looks like it's about to break though, y'all. I'm about to pull this up so you can see. I want you to really, we're gonna get a good view on this. So, oh yeah, that's oh man, it's amazing. That looks amazing on that screen. Oh yeah, they're gonna love this shit. Yeah. All right, so hey, somebody said MT4 free fire. Let's go. Somebody got an iPhone and a watch. Oh, y'all going nuts. All right, so let's get it. All right, so let's go so some more. So this is what we're looking at. All right, I want y'all to pay attention to like this area right here. I want y'all to pay attention to this area. So we have bearish candlesticks printing off of a resistance area and or a supply zone. All right. What this means, as we're watching the dollar, as we're watching DXY, if DXY is getting more strength, meaning that the dollar is gaining more traction, what's going to go on with this particular pair, because it's paired with USD, is that as that dollar gains traction, it should end up popping straight to the downside. You get what I'm saying? So literally, when the market opens, once again, we already know what to expect, which is a slight pullback. So I'm going to show you where I feel the market is going to pull back to, which is about this area right here. So right now, the price is 107.902. So I feel about it's gonna come to about 108, 1.08, 600 area around here. Retest this, right? Pink, and then drop off. Boom. Right down into that 105, 104 zone. All right. So let me go ahead and I'll pull the charts over some more so y'all see too. Get it better for y'all. So there we go right there. All right. So I feel like the price is gonna pull back to about this zone right here, and that's about that 108 area around here. So price pull back, boom, 108, right to the downside. You know what I'm saying? Right to the downside. That's if DXY gets that pressure, but we checked out the dollar. So what do we know about the dollar, y'all? Let me know. Come on, y'all see the bulls? Y'all see the bulls and the bulls in the house, baby? The bulls in the house, baby? Let's turn that shit up, man. Let's turn that shit up. Hey, this is buying. I perform. I'm about to be a Forex on Sundays. Forex on Sundays, yeah. Because I'm over here watching it on the screen, like, ooh, I know the Forex industry. They've been waiting for this. Appreciate all y'all, man. It took a whole team. That's what I'm saying. Like, see, when I'm at home, y'all, and I'm gonna talk to you about teamwork and collaboration. All right. So when I'm at home, I'm usually just doing this thing by myself, controlling everything by myself. You know what I'm saying? It's usually just me. It's just me. But I got the whole team. So yeah, that's why it's fluid. That's why now I'm able to just walk around and do my thing. You get what I'm saying? So definitely the power of teamwork and collaboration. Y'all need to take notes on that. I had to take notes and learn my damn stuff. You feel? Shit. I remember Agent, he was like, bro, you need a team. I'm gonna let you learn. Nigga, I learned a bunch of lessons. Now look at us. We out here making shit pop. So like I said, we're gonna keep growing this thing. You know what I mean? Let's move. So now we're gonna go to NZD USD. And shit, I think I got oil left. Oil is the last one, and that wraps it up. You know what I'm saying? Wrapping it up, baby. All right, so NZD USD. And then when we come back, just know, nigga, gonna have music popping. Yep. Got the special performance popping. Yep, nigga. Shit. Yeah, that part might be like the Oprah of Forex. Nigga, you get a car. I don't know if I want to get my cars. That's crazy. Y'all, shit. Y'all deserve cars. You know what I'm saying? I know how the Forex industry is. One day they like you, nigga. The next day, shit. Y'all be wishy-washy. That's why I love the community, though. You feel me? Y'all be reminding me of me, nigga. Let's get it. So, hey, boom. What we gonna do, right? New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So, easy call. Already, we see the bearish divergence popping right here. All right. You already see you got a nice chunk of consolidation on the daily time frame. A nice chunk of consolidation. You got price releasing off the top of this consolidation, right? Boom. Why did price release? USD or US dollar got some action. They got some bullish strength. So when the dollar gets stronger, here's like NZD USD, Euro USD, Great British Pound, US dollar ends up going what? Boogie down. Yeah, breaking the fuck down. You already know, breaking right on down. So what we expecting? DXY get some push to the downside. You feel me? So what we're gonna have, I feel like price is gonna come up to about this zone right here. You feel me? So let me go ahead and mark that up for y'all. Always, like I said, for me, I'm always expecting everything to retest. That's just, a general perspective of the game. You feel me? So about this 63.9 area. So let me go ahead and put an X right there, right? So let's do brush. Let's do 63.9. That's right here. Bam, bam. You feel me? So I don't know if y'all can see an X right now, but I feel like price gonna shoot back, boom, hit that X. That's this little cluster right here. So week start, boom, hit the X. So maybe Sunday, Monday hits the X and then drop to the bottom. I don't control the market. I don't know what DXY is going to do. I know how to read and understand the game. So for me, reading and understanding the game, do you know what I see? I see how they're getting stronger. And I feel like, well, fuck it. This thing is showing bearish divergence. That's one confirmation. The dollar getting stronger, that's two confirmations. It looks like almost a double top. Price is pulling out the resistance. I got all type of confirmations. So once again, we'll see, how the week progresses. Let's get it cracked like that. So I feel like price can do this. Shoot up, bam, hit this area about 63.9, and then whoop, right to the downside about 62, and probably sit here for the week. This New Zealand dollar, and it's the daily, so I don't feel like it's gonna go too crazy. I feel like it's just gonna feel. So it's gonna feel this little zone down here. You feel me? It's only we're looking at week to week. So sometimes these moves, like it may take 3 weeks, 4 weeks, you know what I mean, for the full move to happen. So just going day to day, y'all. All right. So that's the SNR or the support and resistance or the supply and demand. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it kind of like that. And we got market that's just opened up. So really, we get that bitch pulling back. This was like 3 o'clock right now. It's like 3. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So right on time. You feel me? If I was y'all, I wouldn't get in the game right now. I'll let that bitch. I enjoy my Sunday and come Monday and get cracking. But you got some horny traders and y'all be trying to smack her as soon as she pull them down. You know what I'm saying? It just ain't me. All right. So I will be in tomorrow for the people who be tapped in with the signals and stuff. Wake up in the morning and we get popping. That's right. Let me tell y'all too. So we got the book, man. The book has been going crazy. This book has been going crazy. It keeps selling out. You feel me? What's been going on is I've been checking because I refresh every day. I'm trying to see what's going on. So people have been botting the book. So what they have is like those little, they have reseller bots. So it's a few companies that, I guess the book is hot or whatever. So they buying up a bunch of copies. So that's what's stopping you guys from being able to purchase. You're getting beat by robots. So when it is in stock, make sure you grab yourself a copy. You know what I mean? We put some fire ass game in here, and we going viral with this shit, man. We're about to go worldwide with this Trader Die. It ain't just a book; it's a movement. You get what I'm saying? So, shit. Let me show you, just so you know, it's a movement. So we out here. You know what I mean? Actively cracking anywhere we go. All right. So that was Izzy D. So the last thing we got is oil. I'm gonna take some questions. Make sure you guys have your cameras ready because we're gonna start loading you right now. You'll need well, I'll post a link, or you can post a link. Make sure you post a link. It's like a share link. Stream. You see, it's like a little yeah. So just click that in the description, and then move it like that. You feel me? All right. So yeah, you said where we get the signal that's high. Yo, so all my links are inside of my, inside of the bio and stuff like that. But y'all know my stilo, y'all know my style. So I don't want to be known as no signal pusher or nothing like that. But I do have a product. I am a businessman, and I'm gonna sell you my shit. It is what it is. People, oh, he's like everybody else. Nigga, you like everybody else. Fuck, you feel me? But nah, man. So if that's a product that you want to test out, come rock with it. You know what I mean? The mentorship stuff, people have been asking me about that, but the price went up, man. I got a top book out right now. We moving, man. We in motion. So I mean, I think I was charging. I don't remember what I was charging before, but it's not that. So if y'all want to get mentored, then tap in the right way. So we're not just on Forex. You get what I'm saying? It's Forex. It's investing. It's finance to the maximum level, bro. I'm gonna show you how to get your mind right. You feel me? You need a life plan, the trading plan and a life plan so you can get your stuff together. But I got you. You feel me? Let's get it cracking, man. All right, you say, what's your stop loss on the signals? Usually I like to do like 20 to 40 points. We be trading like indexes and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So if I get smacked out 20 points, I'll wait like 5-10 minutes, see if I can get back in. If not, fuck it, it is what it is. I'll come back later, like hour, 2 hours. If I can get back in, I'll just wait, shoot again, keep them moving, you know what I mean? So let's get it cracking like that. And make sure y'all get make sure you guys, did you post a link, me? So, yes. All right, so yeah, we should start saying, make sure y'all get start tapping in, and start somebody know. Okay. All right, so yeah, we should start saying, yo, what's going on? Start tapping in, and start coming out here. Okay. All right, so yo, what's going on? Start tapping in, and start coming out here. What do you say? Yo, what's good with you? They're gonna have to feed me the audio, bro. They're gonna have to feed me the audio back, you know what I'm saying? But I'll be able to hear you. Yeah, it's all good. Yeah. Okay. Yo.
Yo.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
I had to turn the volume down on this video.
Yo, I can hear what's good with it, G. There we go.
I had to turn the volume down on this video.
I think you got feedback, bro. I think it was you got feedback. But what's going on with it, man?
Shit, cool, man.
I think you got feedback, bro. Hey, close the if you can't mute your YouTube. Well, he can't mute it because he might have to hear you. Do you got headphones?
I'm trying to figure out how to stop the feedback.
Where you from, my man?
Coolin', man. Glad to be here. Stop the feedback.
He said close it. The echo crazy.
I'm
Okay.
from Orlando, man. Glad to be here.
Okay, hold on.
I'm from the O. I'm from
I think
Orlando,
it was me. Yo, so is it my sound or is it bro sound? Let me know. Like I said, we tested.
I'm trying to figure it out too.
Okay. Yo, so is it my sound or is it bro sound? Let me know. Like I said, we tested.
I'm trying to figure it out too.
Okay. Hold on, y'all.
Yeah, I hear it. Repeat.
Well, look, we're gonna it's all good. Look, so just shit, come back. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna add you back in a second. Just it's not, but I don't got the volume. It's all good. Nah, it's everything going there. It's all good. We're gonna figure it out, y'all. We're gonna figure it out. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we're gonna figure it out. He said if you log in to Talk Thai, use your headphones. Got you. Like I said, hey, this is my first time doing, the show in this type of setting. So, I mean, I don't mind being live, making mistakes. Bro, I make mistakes every day. I don't care. They're gonna be, he made a mistake, yeah, nigga. But hey, in a month, we gonna be on y'all. Hey, in a month, just know. You feel me? So we gonna, you know what I mean? But let's get some more questions rolling, and then I'm about to get off here for the day. You feel me? Let's get it cracking like that. Oh, Okay, there he is. Oh, he coming back. There we go. Get off here for the day. You feel me? Yo. Yo, what's going on, y'all?
Yo, I'm the 9/11 survivor.
Hey, how you doing, man? You've been trying to chop it over for a minute. I've been seeing your comments. What's going on, y'all?
Yo, I'm the 9/11 survivor.
How you doing, man? You've been trying to chop it over for a minute. I've been seeing your comments.
That's how I started trading.
Yeah.
Yo, because of you,
man.
Yo, keep
I'm hearing so much feedback right now.
Oh, you get a lot of feedback.
I'm hearing so much.
Let me know how the sound is going, y'all. Oh, you get a lot of feedback.
It's like I hear it seconds later and shit.
Yeah.
Sound wave you at 140.
I hear it seconds later and shit.
We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out on the next one. It's all good. Yo, we'll figure it out on the next one. Yeah, it's all good. We'll figure it out on the next one. You know what I'm saying? But nah, once again, I just, I definitely appreciate. I'm good with the mic. Okay. But yeah, I definitely appreciate all y'all just, tapping in and just vibing with me. You feel me? I know this was a lot different, y'all. You feel me? So yeah, I know it's pretty distinct. We figuring it out. But I just want to test something different. I want to test a new environment, a new style, a new vibe, and I want to take Forex to a new level. You feel me? I feel that Forex should be fun, not a bunch of old white dudes in suits. Let's be real. So when I'm thinking stocks, just like when most people are thinking stocks, they're thinking about grandpas running around with suits and Versace shades. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like, we're in the era where we're trying to redefine that, redefine the market, redefine, the look, redefine the feel, you know what I'm saying? I feel like that's where we go next, where it's cool, where it's hip, where it's something to do. I feel like a lot of people want to make money. And there's a lot of people who would love to be involved with trading, but the reason why they don't, because there's this fear. And it's not even the fear of losing money. Bro, people spend $1,600 on shoes, never blink. $400 on Jordans, never blink. So people don't have a spending money problem. They have when people think stocks, they don't necessarily want to lose it. So we don't mind spending it. You get what I'm saying? So if we look at the market different as in, different type of opportunities and stuff for the new millennium, then yeah, it's going to be a new age. You feel me? No, when you think of stocks, it's not going to be old white dudes and suits. It's going to be like, oh, the cool kids with Jordans and yeah, because it's a vibe, you know what I'm saying? And even moving like that, I feel like there's going to be a lot of new money coming into the game. The black dollar is powerful, you know what I'm saying? I'm not going to be here acting like I'm not going to advocate for what it is. Like, it's Black History Month, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, you feel me? But hey, man, it's your boy Ty. You know the vibes, man. Appreciate y'all rocking out with me on this Forex on Sundays. I really enjoyed the vibes. I really enjoyed, everybody tapping in. And we're going to keep making this thing better and better. Next time we go, we're going to have the music cracking. Like I said, I'm going to have a special guest. And y'all just tap in. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. if you're new here, make sure you turn on your notifications. And we're gonna be dropping bangers like this. Let's get it. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate the team. You feel me? AJ, Didi, you feel me? Forgot your name, but Nush, yup. And then goddamn AJ. Not AJ. AK, yeah. You feel me? So hey, but like I said, we here going up. You know what I'm saying? That's the vibe, man. West Side Tire, we out of this bitch, man. Let's get it.
All right.